Congratulations, you finished your first 7 days in Forex. Now, as you can tell, that was just to get you started and see if trading is even something you want to do. But if you finished it and you like it and still want to go on, the next step for you is to learn the 3x30 trading method. And in there, you are going to get a beginner's trade plan. You're going to learn when to trade, when not to trade, and what to look for in each setup. For each trading day, you'll get to see the method and how it works on a real chart. There's also a full community of traders just like you learning and applying this method. There's no finance bro energy here, okay? This is about fun and games and learning and community. The trade plan is learned over 8 short modules, just like it was in the 7-day. In the 3x30, you are going to learn our most perfect trading window. You're going to learn when to trade and when to stay out of the trade. You're going to learn exactly what to look for every single day to find your setup. And if there's no setup, then there's no trade. You're also going to learn how to compound your account, which is when you take your wins and you trade on those wins to grow your account so much faster than if you were just taking standard trades alone. Now, this is very beginner friendly. However, we do have much more coming. So I really hope that you get in now and join our group of traders that are just like you. All right, click the button below and we'll see you inside.